my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me to the nail salon. As you can see, I need my nails done, and this is the last day that I'm gonna be able to do it because I leave town tomorrow. So I've really been wanting to go to a Black-owned nail salon, so I was just like, this is the day we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. But yeah, I've been wanting to go to a Black-owned nail salon for a minute now, but I don't know why I haven't done it yet. I'm not really that loyal to any of the nail salons that I go to. Like, I have like a handful that I always like rotate depending on my mood or depending on where I'm at. So I'll just be like, okay, I need to go to the nail salon, and I'll just go anywhere or to one of those 5. But yeah, I really want to try out this salon. I was searching Google, I was searching Black-owned nail salons, and this one popped up, and yeah, it just looked really luxurious. It looked really like this is the place. I'm not trying to break the bank or anything getting my nails done, but I might have to if it's Black-owned. So I usually get the powder dip on my nails and just shape them. They last a really long time, so I like it. I haven't had acrylic since high school, so I can't go back to acrylic. So yeah, I might just get another powder dip, or if not, I might just get a gel manicure because one of my nails broke, so I might have to get like a gel manicure or something. And yeah, so come along with me. I haven't done like a daily vlog like this in forever. Of course, I always do my travel vlogs and stuff. I will link them down below in the description box. But yeah, this will be cool for you guys to actually see, you know, Chicago and like how it really is, because, you know, this is my city. I love it here. So I'm gonna be able to show you guys a little bit of the culture. So I know exactly where this nail salon is. I actually used to live in this area, so I'm pretty familiar with the area. So let's go. So this is how my feet look. I don't know if I'm gonna get them done or not. They're not too bad. You know, the polish is still there, so I don't know if I'm gonna get my feet done. Super casual outfit. Okay, so the salon we're going to is called Beautiful Sisters Spa and Salon, and it's on 67th and Stony, and I'll put the exact address and everything down below in the description box as well as on the screen. But they open at 10:30, so I'm trying to get there as soon as they open, so maybe it won't be a lot of people there. I didn't make an appointment or anything like that. They do take walk-ins. Hopefully it isn't like packed or anything. It's a Monday, so hopefully everybody's at work. And I can just get in and get out. Okay guys, so this is the salon. When I walked in, I was like, ah, it was so pretty. Everybody was super welcoming as well. They weren't really comfortable with the filming, so I didn't get much of the process of me actually getting my nails done, but the owner did do my nails, and they just started doing the color dip, and their technique is a lot more sanitary and hygienic than the way a lot of other salons do that technique. So I was really happy that they informed me about that, because I've been doing it the nasty way all these years. I could have caught any type of disease. But yes, this salon is absolutely beautiful. Everybody was super nice. I think they do a great job on nails. And did I mention they gave me wine? They gave me wine. So yes. Okay guys, so I am done with my nails and I got the powder dip, and oh my gosh, the experience was so amazing. She gave me wine and everything. The people in there was just so nice. I actually got my nails done by the owner. Her name is Bianca. Such a lovely woman. They also have another location, and I'm gonna put the other location in the description box as well. I really couldn't film too much in there because they didn't really want to be on camera. You know, some people aren't as comfortable being on camera as others, so that's completely fine. But you guys should definitely go and check out this shop. It's absolutely beautiful. So I usually get the powder dip, but they were telling me basically that's not really good to get the powder dip, because the way that you are constantly putting your finger into that powder, and then the person before you could have put their same finger into that powder, and that person could have some type of fungus or something. It's not very healthy. So the way that Bianca did mine was a completely different method, and I love the way it turned out. So cute. I'm in love with this red, like. But yeah, I definitely recommend going there. And if you guys want to see me try out more Black owned businesses and stuff, just let me know down below in the comment section, and I definitely will. And you guys can follow me on any of my social media at Mary J Hampton. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to watch more videos, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.